funny noise in the news. Washing machine. I listen to that all night.
Next thing is washing.
How much pressure you like for, Mike? How much pressure? 80? You want any cooling water or no? Don't need it? No.
This thing becomes a bath. If this temperature is run about 6 to 7 hours before it gets another zero. This one, it's not going to run that long.
What we have here is a 1906 Fairbanks Morris engine. This engine was shipped to Alaska and out to Tanana and ran from 1908. It was installed out at Tanana in 1908 and it ran until 1924. It was used on the Alaska communication system for the military. There was a pair of these sitting in the building up there, and they normally start them on gasoline and then turn them over to diesel or to kerosene and run them on kerosene. It's 20 horsepower. It turned a 15 kW generator, and that's how they powered the stations. Sat out there 1924. They quit using them. They sat in the building out there until 1952. The building burned down in 1952. And they sat for another 50 years before Alan James rescued them. With the help of volunteers, donations and things, he got them back to Fairbanks and got this one running. It took him over 2 years to get it running. There's no service manual, no parts books, nothing. So everything was trial and error, and it took him a while to figure it all out. And the things ran between 280 and 300 RPM is what they turned to run the generators. This one is set at an idle speed of about 40 to 60 RPM. It's kind of old, and so we don't want to push it. Weighs 10,000 pounds. The flywheels on the thing are 6,000 for the 2 flywheels. So once you get it moving, it keeps on going. Let's see if we can get it to fire. Normally, the way they designed this, you use this little hand pump to pump this up until the wheel starts to turn, and then you fire the engine. It's 1,200 cubic inches. It's like a 350 Chevys, three 350 Chevys sitting together. I don't want to pump it up that much, so we use a little 2 horsepower hit and miss to turn an air compressor that's rigged down to here to build up some air pressure in the tank. We'll use that to fire the engine.
What's the bore and stroke?
Huh?
What's the bore and stroke?
I don't know.
Might be on the sign in Willie's shop.
About a 12-inch bore.
Give it a little gas to get her started here. Can I get out of there?
Yeah. You want me to help turn it?
No? Just get away.
Go ahead.
All right, stay back.
Runs surprisingly quiet, except for the occasional smell.
Ignition switch. Forgot to turn on the ignition switch. Good fire. Come on, fire. Start it over. switches on.
Fire.
Yeah, maybe.
Let it fire a few more times. Now we got it.
Yeah. It holds that exhaust valve open.
Yeah, that's how it misses. It holds the exhaust valve open, then the intake is just an atmospheric intake valve. With the exhaust open, there's no suction to open the intake valve. It brings it
The
up.
spring just keeps the intake valve closed then.
Yeah.
The exhaust valve. And this is the fuel pump? Up and down there?
Well, yeah.
It wasn't running and now it is.
I told him to make sure not to send you he wasn't looking before. We would have been on the exhaust.
Well, I think Willie would I think Willie would have been looking.
Well, you would think.
No, he was standing here.
I always check it to make sure.
Willie's not here. Let's go get
It is a four-stroke.
There we go. I'm good with that.
It is a four-stroke. Nice. There are two top dead centers. One is exhaust, and one is intake.
Mike, is that straight kerosene?
No, this is running on gas. They started them on gas. Once they got them warmed up, then they would switch them over to kerosene. This is pretty much an idle speed, 40 to 60 RPM. They ran at 280 to 300. And if you're turning the generator, they'll get a lot more often than what they do here. I do have a raincoat.
Yeah, where is it?
In my car.
There.
It's in yours.